ready to reel in a ridiculously delicious dinner. Today, we're diving into how to cook redfin perch, the easy and flavorful way. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need redfin perch fillets, of course. Then grab 1 lemon, 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 cloves of minced garlic, a handful of fresh parsley, salt, pepper, and a pinch of paprika. Pat your perch fillets dry with a paper towel. This helps them get a nice, crispy sear. Nobody wants soggy fish. Now, season generously with salt, pepper, and that touch of paprika for a hint of smokiness. Melt the butter in a skillet over medium heat. Add the minced garlic and let it sizzle for about 30 seconds, until fragrant. Watch out, do not let it burn. Carefully place the redfin perch fillets into the skillet, skin side down. If they have skin, leave space between them for optimal searing. Cook for about 34 minutes per side, or until the fish is opaque and flakes easily with a fork. Squeeze fresh lemon juice over the cooked fillets in the last minute of cooking for a burst of brightness. Garnish with freshly chopped parsley for a pop of color and fresh flavor. Serve immediately and enjoy. This redfin perch is fantastic with roasted vegetables, rice, or a simple salad. Happy cooking.